All right, bro, so what are we gonna do today, man?
Maybe like a wolf cut with a little longer, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So for today's tutorial, we're gonna be trying to replicate this haircut right here, which I'm gonna have popped up on the screen. The first step, any long haircut, is first we just want to section and map, right? So we're gonna grab our comb here, literally bend it right here, wherever it bends or leaves the head, that's gonna be our first point. So I just like starting here. It's not gonna be perfect right off the bat, but I just like having a reference point to begin. Then I do it again right here. It's perfect right here. So then I'm just gonna go straight across. We just first wanna separate the front to the back. Nothing too crazy first. Here on the side, what I like doing is basically I'm gonna do the same thing on the side here. Wherever it hits the head, the first point that it hits the head, which is right here, that's where I'm gonna align this point over here. So from here, it goes from here to all the way over here. All right, so now that we have the front and the back panel separated, what we can do is two things. So I can grab him here from the side, put the comb again right here, rest it against his head, touch your head a little bit like this, bro. Then push it over here, wherever it hits like right here. That's where I want to draw the line between here to here. But what I like doing is just doing point A to point B, which is the recession point. That's the easiest thing to me. So I'm gonna go look for his recession point right here at the corner. So I see it here. So now I can go from point A, which is right here, to point B, very clean, you guys saw. So I just have to do the same thing on the other side. Recession points right here. Once everything's jointed together, I'm gonna grab the small part of this comb and start combing everything forward like this, making sure that everything is nicely organized. We grab all the hair, and I'm gonna twist it. Now we have successfully sectioned and mapped our haircut. Back panel, side panel, top panel, and then the other side panel. There's 4 panels. Now we can just work on layering the back over here, which is gonna be our first step, which is the most important part of our whole haircut. I'm gonna grab one section right here going down. So it's gonna be comb's width. I'm gonna separate this, push all this to the side. We're gonna use this bottom length here, the shortest length here, to cut the whole thing. So I'm gonna start from the bottom, and then I'm gonna work my way all the way to the top until everything's evenly cut. Then I'm gonna take this guide that we cut and start over directing to every single guideline from the right side. Then I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. So here at the bottom, I'm gonna pull this. You guys see that bottom piece right there? We're point cutting. Now that we've cut this part, I'm gonna comb this down. I'm gonna split the guideline in half, and I'm gonna push that to the side because it's cut. This whole side over here. We're gonna repeat the same thing. So we have a portion that's been cut and a portion that hasn't been cut. I already separated the other side. Now we just want to repeat the process. You guys see? Right here, I pull the comb out. It gets a little awkward, so I have to bend. I'm gonna comb the hair that I've cut. I split the guideline in half. You guys can see the difference. This is layered. This isn't layered at all. Look at how heavy this is versus this. All right, so a lot of you guys might be confused on how to basically go from this being cut to this not being cut. How do we get a guideline? Let's go ahead and go about maybe like, I wouldn't like to say half of it. Let's go 40%. Just comb it to the side because I know that this is still cut right here. So we can use that as a reference point, as a guide. But let's just make sure that this whole hair, this whole part is to the side. We can even grip it with the right there. So then we can have this nice and clean and organized. Now all that we have to do, we can either start at the bottom, which I don't from. We can start at the bottom and match everything at the bottom, but since we've already cut a portion of the top, we can even start at the top now. I feel a lot safer starting here at the top. I'm more comfortable working from the top. So let's start from the top now. I'm gonna grab it from this side and then grab it from this side. Then I'm gonna push the comb up like this until I stop. Here I can pull the hair to the side so I can see my guide. It's there. The tricky part here is just angling your shears so that you can create texture. With point cutting, you can bend it like this, or you can notch cut right there. I'm gonna switch positions on this side and go underhand. This is a little bit more awkward for me, but I can still see it. You guys see that? I'm just gonna point cut. Rinse and repeat. Comb down. Take a little bit of the hair that we cut and comb all this hair to the side. Reorganize everything. Let's repeat the same steps again. Rinse and repeat, just organize everything. I'm gonna start here at the top now. You guys can see the guide is there. Stop with my fingers and then I'm gonna notch cut. Okay, we've finished cutting the back. I really love how the back is sitting here, but what I'm gonna fix here on the side is, as you guys can see, I'm missing about a finger here. So I'm gonna resection the top from here. This is way better. I'm just gonna push this to the side. We're gonna push this into the back now. We're gonna start some graduation. This is your whole sideburn area right here. So you see, this is how long it's gonna be. Like right here, I'm gonna cut into this, and the length that you see right there on the side, obviously eliminate this whole part right here. I'm gonna cut that. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Cool? Yeah. I think it's gonna look good.
Okay.
I'm gonna first start here at the temple, go here, pull all this hair back. Now I'm gonna pull this whole part. How do you guys know exactly what shape you're creating? It's with your comb. So simply leaving your comb like this is gonna dictate the shape. We want it longer towards over here, towards the top. So we know the shape is gonna go here, triangular. So it gets longer at the top, shorter at the bottom. Now we're gonna connect what we just cut. We gotta be careful here because I don't wanna make this too short. I'm gonna comb this hair from the top and pull it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna release the top over here.
lifesaver.
Right here. See? Yes, sir. So once we finish cutting the bangs, we're gonna take a profile section here. We basically split everything in half. So it's gonna leave an overlapping thing. I don't wanna work with the bangs anymore. I wanna just basically connect this side length that you see it's overgrown right here from the side. Now we're gonna layer the top. Take that same length we cut from the top. Once we've cut that, we can take horizontal sections here from the back and connect everything. You guys can see right there in the point cut.
Thank you.
Oh boy. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you. Thanks for driving out.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Thank you for that.
I'll walk you out, bro.